Good day and welcome to today's class. The previous class we talked about how to import our drawings and identifying the various tools on the menus and the ribbons. So today we are diving into how to scale and make use of our basic tool like the square tool, the area tool, the linear tool, the segment tool, the count tool, etc. So we go as far as possible, then by our next lesson we continue from where we stop. I'm taking this lesson a bit by bit so that you can be able to understand what you are doing. So let's assume that you've already imported your drawing and you have to start. The first thing to do is to scale your drawing. Scaling helps you to ensure that the measurement or the dimension on your drawing is what is fit for the actual drawing in reality, right? Let's assume if this is 40.7 meter on the drawing, that you bring it to scale so that it will match what will be on the ground. So the first thing to scale is to click on this scale and then you come to metric, and what do you have here? 40.575, 40.575. Ensure that is in meter. Then you click on OK. Then you come down to what? To mirror your drawing on the part of the measurement or the dimension, right? You click on it on the part of the dimension. This is for the horizontal. You repeat the same thing for the vertical. You come back again, click on scale. This time around, this one is 38.30, 38.30. I'm sure it's in meter as well. Then you scale, right? Mirror it, and you have it like this. So when your scaling is done, congratulations, you are on to the next phase. Whatever you are going to measure now, we give you the exact measurement as the original dimension is intended. So now the first tool you are going to make sure of is our area tool. So what do? You click on your area tool. Mind you, this is the basics. After this basics, I'm going to prepare a template whereby you can use to take off your project, your building or whatever within minutes. I'm talking of literally minutes. Yes, you can take off from your substructure to your superstructure in minutes using templates. The structure template I've already arranged, but I won't be rushing it, so that before you can make your template, you need to understand how to make use of the basic through one after the other, right? Just like before you can learn how to spell words or pronounce words, you must learn your ABC. So that's the same thing. So you can see what I'm doing, making use of the area tool. I'll go again. Remember, when you click on area tool, this red, this digitalizer record turns red. That's telling you that your command is on. You click on all the points while you drag to ensure you cover this area that you intend to calculate. Once that is done, you can see the first measurement appear here and the second measurement brown appears here with the color. Now once you are done, what do? You click on escape to exit the command, right? So when you come to estimating, you can see what we've calculated. They appears here. Remember, you can also edit the name. You can customize the name as well. You can click here to customize the name. You can put it site clearance, or you customize it at the point of picking your tool, right? So this is how to make use of your area tool. Remember, this area tool can be manipulated in all item of work. Let's assume you are calculating for number of ties, you use the area tool. You are doing for site clearance, use the area tool. Even when you are doing for surface area wall, yes, your wall, you can use the area tool. So area tool can be manipulated to any purpose. Just like now you have a pen, right? You can use a pen to do anything. You can use it to write, you can use it to play games, you can use it to draw. Just what the tool is all about. So you identify the basic tool, then you learn how to manipulate it to do whatever you want. Quickly, what does the linear tool do? Now the linear tool is for, just like from what the name identify or signify, it's linear. Anything at a straight line or at a particular part, right? For example, we want to calculate for your your guards, you make use of the linear tool, perimeter linear tool, your trench, all right, trench excavation, you know how to follow a defined course or path, it's a linear tool. Anything that has to do with moving around along a path or a course, you make use of the linear tool. Let's say, for instance, going back to the next drawing. Okay, let's come back to the next drawing, and we are going to test our linear tool right now. Remember, what you did first is to scale. We are going to scale again because this is a fresh drawing. Remember, when you scale at first, you can decide to use the scale for all pages, but I prefer you scale each page individually, and this is what 15.1 meter. You click, then what you do, you come here and you scale, right? You scale. Then remember, you do the same thing for your vertical as well. See, now the scaling can be any known measurement, either on the horizontal or on the vertical aspect. Let's say, for example, here, let's say 3.3 meter. All right, 3.3 meter, and you click on OK. The 3.3 meter is here. So it must not be the full horizontal. Any known dimension is good to go. So you click on it to hide it so that our work will not be messy. So coming to linear tool, what do? You click on linear. Remember this linear now. Let's say, for example, now you click on this linear like this. You know, all you just need is OK. All you need to do is just to draw a horizontal or whatever along a course. What does it give you? It gives you just the perimeter or the length of a particular thing, right? You click on escape to exit. Then let's assume I want to calculate for our trench. What do? Linear volume in cubic meters. Why? Because this will give you allowance to add your width, right? 0.68 as the case may be. Our depth, let's say, for example, 0.9 meter. Then you click on OK. When you start to trace, all right, so as you are tracing, the volume of what you are doing is calculating. Remember, what is making this to move around and to calculate effectively is the linear tool. Then whatever your perimeter of leniency gives you, it multiplies it with your width times your depth to give you the volume. All right, so as you are tracing this along the path, the linear tool is doing its work by calculating wherever path the tool is following. Then it will be multiplying with the length and with the width and the depth that you entered in the first place. In our next video, we are going to talk about the segment tool, the count tool. So after the segment and the count tool, then we go into the proper taking off step by step. Now you understand all your tools, all your basic tools, and how to make use of them. So in our next video, we go into how to manipulate them for each of our taking off for individual item of work, right? For your excavation, your site clearance, it covers a lot. So if you've not subscribed, like and share this video so that others can have access to it. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, so that YouTube can get to distribute this video and other people can see it as well as you do. So see you in the next class.